All right, so we're here at the third and final inventory that's available. Again, all the same great features and upgrades the other two Princeton floor plans have. What you see is what you get. So on this one, same floor plan to Princeton, but now you're going to experience it with a inverted floor plan. So your dining room is on your left side. Guest bedroom number 4 is on your left as well. So this one has carpet as opposed to the wood-like floor as the last one. And again, all the same great features and benefits. You'll have the epoxy flooring in the garage, the additional cabinetry above the washer and dryer. And guest bedrooms are going to be your standard setup with the carpet, 5.5-inch baseboards on everything here. You also get window treatments included as well. Again, with the white cabinets, all three have the same exact cabinets. The only difference is the granite on one of them is slightly different. And again, the window treatments on everything. So this one here is all the same. You have the tile backsplash, the wall oven, microwave, the standalone cooktop, the vent they still have yet to put in, your pantry, closet, eating kitchen, and that's overlooking your pool area. Again, same deal with the pool area. Pool, spa, heater, outdoor kitchen. This one is on the flip side of the road. So on this one you have a western exposure. So this is going to give you more of your sunset view. The one main thing to know about this particular home, it's the first home on this street, and it sits next to the substation here.